everyone, this is me, Randy, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I have a Hot Topic unboxing video for you all today. It has been a long time since I've last done a Hot Topic video. It has to be over 3 years since I've last shared with you guys a item or two that I purchased from Hot Topic's website. So I really am excited that I'm doing another one of these Hot Topic unboxing videos. Recently, Hot Topic had a 50% off sale, so I decided to get 2 t-shirts, and I also had a $5 off coupon because earlier this year I celebrated my Hot Topic anniversary. And of course, Hot Topic is always so nice every year whenever you celebrate your anniversary. When you have been on their guest list, they send you a $5 off coupon on any purchase. And I hope that you enjoy this video, and let's get started. T-shirts here, and as you can see, both of them are actually animated themed. So this one here is a Cowboy Bebop t-shirt, and this one here is a Cannon Busters t-shirt. So I'm going to hurry up and take both of these t-shirts out of their plastic bags, and I'm also going to hang up these t-shirts on clothes hangers so that you guys can see the t-shirts better. So let me hurry up and take these t-shirts out of the bag, and we will continue on with the unboxing video. So the first t-shirt that I have to share with you all in this unboxing video is this gorgeous Cowboy Bebop ringer t-shirt. I got this in a size 2XL. As you can see, this t-shirt is a black and white t-shirt with 2 lines on the sleeves of the shirt. And let me give you all a closer look. Here is the information there. Let me also share with you all the tag, which is really cool. And I did not get this for $26. Here is the 2 lines on each sleeve. And here is the front of the shirt with Spike, Ein, Edward, Jet, and Faye. And here is the first shirt that I'm sharing with you all in this video. And here is the second and last t-shirt that I have to share with you all in this unboxing video today. It is a t-shirt of Cannon Busters. This t-shirt is also in a size 2X, and it is in the color black. Let me share with you guys the details. Information on the shirt there. The tag, oops. The tag. Let me move that out of the way so you guys see the shirt in better detail. It is absolutely beautiful. Didn't know that this shirt even existed until I bought it. I was so excited when I saw this shirt on Hot Topic's website because Cannon Busters was one of the best anime of 2019, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Can't wait for season 2 to come out. So here is my second and last t-shirt that I have to show you all in this unboxing video. So this has been me, Randy, and thank you all so much for watching this Hot Topic unboxing video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. This has been me, Randy. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe out there, and as always, I will talk and see you all in the next video.